Hi everybody. This video is the part 2 of the passive series. Today, we are going to do exercises about how to put the present continuous and present perfect tenses into passive form. We have 2 steps for each tense. 1. Positive and negative forms. 2. Yes, no and WH questions. Let's start. Before doing the exercises, let's remember how to form a passive structure in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Positive form. Subject, am is are, verb ing, and object. For example, he is painting the wall. Okay, how to put this sentence into passive, object, am is are, being, verb 3. For example, the wall is being painted. Present continuous tense. Negative form. Subject, am not isn't aren't, verb ing, and object. For example, he isn't painting the wall. Okay, how to put this sentence into passive, object, am not isn't aren't, being, verb 3. For example, the wall isn't being painted. Present continuous tense. Question form. Am is are, subject, verb ing, and object. For example, is he painting the wall? Okay, how to put this sentence into passive, am is are, object, being, verb 3. For example, is the wall being painted? Alright, what about the questions with WH words, for example, when is the wall being painted? Why is the wall being painted?
Change the sentences into passive.
Televisions are being produced in this factory. The room is being cleaned at the moment. The concert tickets are being sold at the box office.
The course isn't being taken online by Logan.
The internet is being used now.
Chairs aren't being made in this workshop today.
Her home is being decorated today.
Newspapers aren't being read. His blood is being tested by the nurses now. The suspect is not being questioned by the police.
The winners are being given a medal by the mayor.
A medal is being given to the winners by the mayor. Change the questions into passive.
No passive because the verb go is intransitive.
Where is his homework being written? Is English being taught at the moment?
How is money being collected on the net? Are the chickens being fed?
Why are the poor people being helped by Selena?
Is your car being repaired by the mechanic now?
Who is the festival being celebrated by?
Isn't the woman being thanked?
Which language is being spoken now? Thai.
Before doing the exercises, let's remember how to form a passive voice in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, positive. Subject, have has, verb 3, object. The police has arrested the thief. As for the passive voice of present perfect. Object, have has, been, verb 3. The thief has been arrested. Or, by the police, if we want. Present perfect tense, negative. Subject, haven't hasn't, verb 3, object. The police hasn't arrested the thief. As for the passive of this negative sentence, object, haven't hasn't, been, verb 3. The thief hasn't been arrested. Present perfect tense, question. Have has, subject, verb 3, object. Has the police arrested the thief? The passive. Have has, object, been, verb 3. Has the thief been arrested? Samples with question words. Where has the thief been arrested? Why has the thief been arrested?
Change the sentences into passive.
Three new hospitals have been opened by the government.
No, new regulations haven't been announced yet.
My mistakes have just been corrected by the teacher.
The holiday hasn't been booked by Alfred yet.
The air conditioning has already been turned on.
The contract hasn't been signed by Thomas.
The bathtub has been cleaned by Kate.
The lion has been captured outside the cage by the zookeeper.
Mike's suggestion has been approved.
She hasn't been fired by the boss yet.
Change the questions into passive. Have the candidates been interviewed by the manager so far?
Who has the wall been painted by?
Have we been told what to do?
Where have the baskets been left?
Has the president been killed?
Why hasn't the cupboard been repaired yet?
Haven't the letters been posted yet?
How has the bill been paid?
Alright guys. It is your turn now. I am not going to reveal the answers. Can you please write the answers in the comments below? Let's see whose answers are correct. Good luck. Can you write your answers in the comments below?
Please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exercises and subject explanations.